Front yard steps play an important role in creating the first impression of your home. They're not just a pathway to your entrance, but a design feature that adds beauty, safety, and value to your property. A well-designed set of front yard steps can instantly upgrade the overall look of your house. One popular choice is concrete steps with a modern finish. These steps are strong, durable, and can be designed in clean, simple lines. Adding a textured surface or light-colored concrete gives a neat and contemporary look. For a warmer and more natural feel, stone steps are an excellent option. Natural stone like slate, granite, or sandstone blends beautifully with gardens and green spaces, making the entrance look elegant and welcoming. Brick steps are another timeless design that works well for both traditional and modern homes. Bricks offer a classic charm and can be arranged in different patterns for added style. For homes with limited space, floating or minimal steps are a smart idea. These steps create a light, airy appearance and are perfect for modern front yard designs. Safety is also an important part of front yard step design. Adding handrails